Happy Whimsical Wednesday. What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. If you're new here, I am a professional hairstylist, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me. That's me, but only nice things. I do a lot of home hair and beauty tutorials on this channel, but for Wednesdays, we just do whatever happy shenanigans feels right. Today, we are going to be talking about paper mache. So if you don't know this about me, I love to craft and I have crafted a couple things out of paper mache the past couple of years. And really, I decided on paper mache this week because next week I want to do a Valentine's Day themed wreath for my door. And what I learned from making my Christmas wreath with my friend Catherine, number one, it was super fun, and B, it was super easy. But what I learned from doing that is you need like a lot of stuff. And I don't want to buy anything because I have a whole area of arts and crafts. So I want to do my best to just use things I already have. And so what I think I'm going to do is go through and make some little foil sticks and paper mache them and maybe spray paint them white, or I don't know. I haven't gotten that far. But I need a lot of stuff. So I was thinking about doing that. And then I was thinking that maybe y'all would like to see a paper mache video since I'm gonna have to do it for that video anyway. Let's get started talking a little bit more about paper mache. So one of the things that I love about paper mache is that there are limitless options on how you can do it and the things that you can use. I guess I'll show you. Here are my paper mache products from the past. And this one I call Aqua Hand. I made this for Dylan a couple years ago. Broke his hand. I thought it would be funny to gift him a hand for Christmas. When I made Aqua Hand, actually you can still see the glove. So this is made out of a glove from work. I used just like paper towels that we had. You can even see like the texture is still in there. Maybe you can see it under. Yeah, and a cup, that's what else is in here. I use the Elmer's glue technique, which is just basically getting Elmer's glue or whatever off-brand is fine too, and dilute it a little bit with water until you get it to a more liquidy consistency that you can work with. And then, you know, just painted it all the fun colors and decided its name would be Aqua Hand. And this, if you missed my Carol Baskins video, is Joe Aquatic. He's kind of like crazy looking. It's like, I don't know, like Squidbillies meets Joe Aquatic meets something else. I don't even know. This was a product of quarantine. And if you flip him over, we've got Carol Flatkins. Yeah, I am clearly still like very amused with myself on those. For Joe, I used the flour water technique. I can't remember if I put any salt in it, but you can also put a little bit of salt in it if you live somewhere with humidity like it is here. I have no idea if I use salt in it or not, but you'll just do like a little bit of salt. And again, kind of the same thing. I think it's like 1 part flour to 2 parts water, but you just kind of want to get it to a workable consistency and stir it up, get the lumps out, add a smidge of salt. And I think it's best to like make about the amount you're gonna use because I don't think it stores very well. Some people like to store it. I don't think it works. And I use, I think like newspaper and magazines and leftover like printer paper that I had for Joe. And he is made out of, his legs were foil. And this is an old coffee creamer bottle, and then around his head, coffee creamer bottle, foil, and around his head is like a little like squishy basketball. Basically, I just taped all that shenanigans together and then got to plastering it with paper and glue mixture, or in his case, DIY glue, which is just flour and water. But literally, like, you can dream it, you can do it in the world of paper mache. And if it ever has like a little bit of like uneven texture, just get a light sander paper and just gently go over that, or even like a nail buff would be fine depending on how bumpy it is. Anyways, let's get started with our paper mache. So get your mixture mixed up and then get you some little pieces of paper and tear them or cut them, whatever. Plaster them on there, let it dry, and do as many coats as your heart's desire. And style it from there. So you have literally all of the options. Let me know in the comments below which method or mixture is your preferred way to paper mache and what projects you're currently working on or like your favorite project you've done before. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's the real Ray. Bye.